हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप किस तरीके से वॉइस से टेक्स्ट राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं ऑन योर गूगल ड्राइव। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ओपन योर गूगल ड्राइव। So after opening your Google Drive, you have to go on the option of new. Then you have to go on a Google Doc and you have to open a blank document. Always give a name to your document. So it is voice to text. Okay, so in a Google Doc you have to go on a tool. In a tool you can see the voice typing. Just click on it. A mic will open. Now open your mic. So good morning. Hi friends, how are you? Today I will tell you how to convert your speech into a text message. It will help you in making your assignments. So this is a simple process for it. Thank you.